everyone, welcome back with me, Felicia Ivena, and I'm going to make a mini vlog, but I'm not alone guys, I actually with my friend who named as...
Hey, I'm Rayden.
Hey, so actually, where are we right now?
We're currently at International Village in Cameramen.
Yeah, alright, so we're already in front of the gate, and we're actually in SOCAH Art Gallery. Let's go check it out.
So we're now inside the gallery, and as you can see all around me, there are many beautiful arts, beautiful paintings, and this section of the gallery, which is the parts where there are decorations that signifies the history of Indonesia, like this statue and this statue of what I assume is a man from Jogja, and this lady trying to turn a dream, I think. Plates against plates, statue of sitting cat, and then there's this weird artifact. I think it's a weird decoration which looks like a MacLeod teeth, and then there are close. There are cards in this place, statue of cards, beautiful cards from the past. Indonesian cars, I think, and then motorcycles from the past. My grandfather actually owns one of these in the past, which is dope because to see it in this small figure is amazing. Okay, so the paintings in this gallery are beautiful, but they don't only show the paintings, they actually sell paintings. This painting of this beautiful lady over here, which is currently sold for 12.5 million rupiah. And then there's this painting of some farmers, like some farmers in a farm, with a yellow color scheme and the same beautiful, some horses. My favorite painting in this whole gallery, which is an old painting of Indonesia, which I would assume is in Jalan Tunjungan. And then more paintings of the nature, farmers, trees, a house in there. If you go on to this part, there is this painting of Balinese people, and then painting of some sort of fashion painting. If you go on in the style corridor, then there are way more paintings up there. And there's even a vase over there. So, yeah, this place is amazing. This place is beautiful. Would recommend you going here.
Okay, so SOCAH Gallery Fine Art was actually built in 2002, and this place is actually kind of strategic because it was near with campus named as University of Ciputra. And as you can see, this place is also near a food place, like it was named as Yoouww. So people actually can go over here all the time, and it's actually free. And as you can see, they're just not showing us a beautiful painting like this, but also good decoration. They're just not showing us like the product or decoration just like that, but also all of them have a different story. And as you can see, this place is actually unique. I really recommend you guys to go over here because it was free, and they just not showing their product, they also selling them. And the very unique in this place is actually you can send a request, like example, you want a picture of a kingdom, and they will make it for you. But also you can sell your product in here, which is kind of cool, as you can see. I recommend you guys because this place is actually kind of comfy, and yeah.
So that's been all from us for this vlog. Hopefully we can provide you with a new alternative if you're trying to find an art gallery to find in Surabaya, which I would recommend this place. And
Yeah, we'll see you guys later. Goodbye.